cat-camel, also sometimes known as the cat-cow, is a fantastic exercise for low back mobility. What the patient does in this exercise is assumes the tabletop position again, with the hands being directly underneath the shoulders and the knees being directly under the hips. What the patient will do is arch their back up and their chin down, slow and easy, and they will bring their back down and their chin up, approximating a letter U and then a letter N with the spine. The hips will rock in and down and then back and up. Fantastic. And again, no need to overdo it with this exercise. What we're simply looking to do is add mobility. This is not an end feel exercise.